Hi guys,
Hello!
it's Anthony and Tanya from AT English Hub.
And today we're gonna talk about weather. So, because small talks about weather are very important in the UK, and knowing a few phrases about weather would really help you communicate to the locals. So, let's start with raining cats and dogs. Is it rainy or raining?
It's raining.
Raining.
Raining cats and dogs.
What is it about?
It's heavy. It's heavy rain. Something that not every English person will say it, but it's.
Why?
I think you probably have a certain character, certain personality. If you were to say it's raining cats and dogs, maybe quite an eccentric person.
Really?
I don't know. I'm not saying that if you do say that, I'm not saying that you're strange, but it's certainly just a more interesting way to say it. Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah, because I remember us learning this phrase at school. It was like, must have phrase.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess it's one that makes people smile. That's why.
Does it?
Yeah. It's raining cats.
Do you know the origin?
Yeah, because I looked it up. The origin is it's actually debatable, but the most probable origin of it would be that in the old days, when there were lots of stray dogs and cats, if it would rain so heavy, it would actually wash the bodies of the deceased dogs and cats down the road. So it's quite a dark origin, and so yeah, you might be walking down the road and you get a cat's carcass floating past.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, so it sounds really happy and light, but actually it's quite dark. So
Oh yeah.
if you're into such stuff, medieval times and stuff, it could be up your street.
Alright. Okay, let's get to the next one, and it's melting.
Yeah, so if it's melting, then it's...
Then you are in Russia and it's spring and the snow is melting.
Yeah, so...
Or if you are in the UK.
If you're in the UK, then it would be summer it would be the heat of summer when it's at its hottest, because us Brits aren't too used to weather that goes much above 25 degrees or 30 degrees C is quite high. So you'd say, oh, it's melting, because it could melt your chocolate bar, or you could be sweating so heavily that you'd say, I'm melting.
Is it the same as it's red hot?
Yeah, you would say that as well. You'd say it's red hot. So when if you were to heat metal up with a flame, it turns red eventually. So it's just a way of saying it's extremely hot.
But what is hotter?
What is hotter?
Yeah, it's melting or it's red hot.
It's melting. Oh, I would say they're both about the same. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe from my experience, I'd say it's melting is hotter.
Okay. Next one is it's chucking it down.
Yeah, so this is a very common one all across the UK, and it's all about heavy rain once again. So to chuck is a verb to throw, and if the sky is chucking rain down, then it's going to be heavy.
Alright, and siling it down?
This is a nice Yorkshire dialect word, siling, to sile, and that's to rain heavy again. So it's the same as chucking it down, but it's one that's exclusive to Yorkshire. So if you're travelling to Yorkshire, then you might want to say to the locals, it's absolutely siling it down.
Okay. Next two are about wind. So, what is breezy?
So a breeze is a soft wind, a gentle wind. A breeze is always nice in summer if you're sat outside in your garden with a lemonade and you're sat in the sun. It's nice to have a breeze to cool you down.
Okay, and if it turns gusty?
And if it turns gusty, then it basically means that it's strong winds. So in a storm, there could be gusts of up to 80 miles an hour, which would blow people's wheelie bins over in the street.
Oh wow, okay. And next one is muggy.
Yeah, so if it's muggy, then it will be quite warm, quite unpleasant. So it's warm but humid at the same time, so there's lots of moisture in the air, and you get muggy when your t-shirt starts to stick to you because you get sweaty and hot and bothered.
Okay. And the last one sounds a bit posh, unseasonable.
Yeah, so if you like to sound posh and intelligent, then you could say it's unseasonable. So you'd say, oh, it's rather unseasonable outside, and basically it means that the weather is out of character for the certain season that it's in. So yeah, you can sound a little bit more sophisticated if that's your thing.
All right. Thank you. And that's all for today. And thank you guys. And see you next time. Bye.
Yeah, see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, thumbs up.
And share and all that stuff.
Yeah, bye.